video, we are going to have an overview on the profile. What are the things that are included in profile and what are the things that we are going to work upon. So we'll just have a glance on the profile and what are its inside contents and what do we include in it. Firstly, the most important thing is profile picture. You can't randomly pick any picture. If you are having a personal account, then you can just give a picture of your face, okay, up to your shoulder only. So, and if you are having a business account, you can give the logo of your business and so what, or a picture of your business, whatever may it be. And if it comes to niched account, then you can give anything related to your content, but it should be certain that it should have a professional look. It should not be anything randomly picked and added. If it is something on codes, you can write what it is upon and you can design that page on Canva and you can just make a logo of your own niched account and then you can add it there also. So in this way you can just work upon it on your profile pictures. And now coming on to username. See, username, if you're having a personal account, then you can just put your name. If you're having your business account, it should surely be your business name, and niched account, then whatever you have decided, it should be exactly that thing. So now you have understood what we have to add in profile picture. If it is a personal account, then it should be a headshot photo. And it, whatever you're adding in your profile picture, it should be clear. So it should be very clear. It should be great because it is the first impression that you're going to give to your audience. Business, it can be your logo, and with this niche account, then you can give, whatever things related to your niche. Now coming on to username, as I said earlier that in username you are going to give, if it is about your business, then you can give your business name. Niche, then you can give about that. Whatever you have decided, you can create uniquely. But if it is business account, I would strongly recommend you only put your business name, nothing else. Okay. Now coming on to account name. In account name is such that you can either put your name over there. If it is a business, then you can just, I'll recommend you that you just put your business name on username also and account name also. Or if you're removing, you are onto a niche account, then you can just go and add your name that you have removed it. So in account name you can give that. You can see account name, it is not a hard and fast rule that account name and username should be same. It's all upon you what you want to do and what you want to move on with. So username and account name. See, when you open a profile, okay, firstly you would be seeing the profile picture, then you would be seeing the username, and then you would be seeing down there account name. Okay, so all these things are very important. Now coming upon the bio. Bio is something that is going to actually introduce you to the world. That is because, see, bio, when anyone comes to your account, he just starts with reading the bio. So your bio should be very strong. That should strongly represent what is your page all about, what is your account all about. So we are going to create a strong bio, and if you are into online trading and all of those things, you can just mention it up there. You can, and the next thing also comes here, the next point, that is call to action. In call to action, you can just share the links of your YouTube channel, of your website and all of those things. So in bio is very useful. You can do, you can just share your links of affiliate marketing, of YouTube channels, of your website, of your products, whatsoever. So these things are we going to work upon, and you are going to strongly work upon this thing because this is creating our first impression and first impression is last impression, so we are just going to make it so strong that after having a look over a profile, everyone should feel that they should actually go through our content, that is our account. So firstly, what was the important thing? That was profile picture. That is a profile picture. Then comes to username, then comes to account name, then a bio, that is a bio text, then come to call to action. So in this way we are going to design our profile, and designing profile is very much important as it is the first impression, and we are going to design in the best way. And just don't worry guys, I'm there with you to guide you in this journey, and we will do best work together.